Welcome back guys, ako nga pala si Webster Pangan at ako'y muling nagbabalik para maghatid ng factual information sa inyo. For today, may sasagutin tayong comment sa ating video at ito ang kanyang sagot. Sino ba si Rizal at ano ang kanyang mga ginawa? Ipinanganak si Jose Rizal noong June 19, 1861 sa Calamba, Laguna, noong panahon ng kolonyalismong Espanyol. Nakita ni Rizal ang personal ang mga kawalang katarungan na pinagdadaanan ng kanyang mga kababayan. Nagtagumpay siya sa pag-aaral at nag-aral ng medisina sa Europe. Doon, nasaksihan niya ang mga liberal na ideya at ang mga ideal ng Enlightenment. Ang mga pinasikat na nobel ni Rizal, ang Noli Me Tangere at ang El Filibusterismo ay naging mapanlikhang pagpuna sa sistema. Ipinakita nila ang korupsyon sa loob ng simbahan, ang racial prejudice at ang pagnanais para sa sariling determinasyon ng mga Pilipino. May mga ibang gawa pa si Rizal, tulad ng Ang Aking Mga Kababata, Me Piden Versos, Mi Ultimo Adios, Constitution of la Liga Filipina, Sobre la Indolencia de los Filipinos, A la Juventud Filipina, Annotation of Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas, at iba pa. Bagaman nagsulong si Rizal ng mapayapang reforma at integrasyon sa Espanya at nagpaalam ng apoy ang kanyang mga gawa o akong. Sila ay naging mga puntong pagtitipon para sa himagsikang Pilipino. Sa malungkot na kapalaran, si Rizal ay maling inakusahan ng paghimagsik at pinatay noong December 30, 1896. Ang aking mga sinabi ay ilan lamang sa mga nangyari kay Rizal at ang kanyang mga ginawa na akta. Sana nasagot ko ang tanong mo at maraming salamat.
So hello everyone, my name is Catherine Magulo, and for today, I'll be discussing about this comment that I saw, which was, what is the relevance of Rizal's work to the current generation? So Rizal's work, his books and his other writings have great emphasis on nationalism. One of the main things he wanted to instill was the realization of his people's natural rights, and their right to freedom of speech and voicing. And if we were to connect this to the current issues of our country, it would reflect heavily on issues that concern human rights, such as EJK, and those that justify freedom of speech, as well as the red tagging, imprisonment, attacks on journalists, and the Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020, and other issues. And with this, Rizal's work remains significant and a call for us to open our eyes and continue to fight for a more prosperous, more progressive, and more just nation that Rizal envisioned. Thank you.
So today we're gonna talk about Jose Rizal. Where can you find the work of Rizal today? Jose Rizal, a patriot, physician, and man of letters, remains an enduring figure in Philippines history. His works continues to resonate across various domains, reflecting his profound influence. Let's explore where you can find Rizal's legacy today. Education. In curriculum, Rizal's novel, particularly Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, are integral parts of the Philippines education curriculum. Students study these texts to understand the country's colonial past, social injustice, and the needs for reform. Essay and poetry. Rizal's essay and poems tackle themes such as freedom, identity, and love of country. His essays to the young women of Malolos encourage women's education and empowerment. Performing arts, theater, production, musical, and films based on Rizal's life and work continues to captivate audience. His story remains a source of inspiration for artists and performers. Advocacy for reforms. Rizal's advocate for peaceful reforms within the Spanish colonial system. His idea on representation, freedom of expression. The equality remains relevant in today's political discourse. Legacy of heroism. Rizal's martyrdom and sacrifice for the country served as a reminder or the courage needed to fight the justice and freedom. His execution sparked the Philippines Revolution of 1896, leading to independence. That's it.
Hello, I'm Michael Vicente Buan from Mechanical Engineering Department. So today we will tackle about Rizal's life. Today, what is the importance of Rizal's life? Examine the ways in which the struggles and sacrifice of Rizal's life continue to inspire us and the right people today. Discuss how his character, intelligence, and determination can be emulated in today's world. Now let's start. Rizal's life and legacy continue to resonate today for several reasons. Firstly, his unwavering dedication to his principles despite facing immense adversity inspired people to stand up for what they believe in, even in the face of opposition. His intellect and passion for education serve as a reminder of the importance of knowledge and critical thinking in shaping society. Additionally, Rizal's commitment to social justice and equality highlights the enduring relevance of these values and contemporary struggles for human rights and dignity. By emanating results, character, intelligence, and determination, individuals today can strive to make a positive impact on their communities and contribute to the meaningful change in the world. Thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our mini vlog series. So may nag-comment dito, ang sabi niya, tanong ko lang sila ganap pa rin ngayon ng korupsyon at kahirapan. Tingin mo ba na nakamit natin ang hangad ni Dr. Rizal para sa ating bansa? Anong mga meron tayo ngayon na wala sila noon? At paano natin mahigitan ang hangad ni Dr. Rizal para sa ating bayan? So clarify muna natin ano nga ba ang mga hangad ni Dr. Rizal. Isa sa pinaka-importante dyan ay ang edukasyon, equality at higit sa lahat ang ating kalayaan. And alam naman natin na nung panahon nila talagang wala sila noon, no? Pero ngayon, wala pa nung July 4, 1946 when we achieved independence up until this day, talagang nakuha na natin ang ating kalayaan. Napakadali na lang din ngayon makakuha ng edukasyon, which is isa rin sa mga naging bridge para mabuwasan ng inequality sa ating bansa. Pero ganun pa man, may mga issue pa rin nung panahon ni Rizal na laganap pa rin hanggang ngayon tulad nga nung sinabi niya, which is yung corruption and kahirapan. Pero yung meron tayo ngayon na wala sila noon, technology, internet, napakalaking platform at kung magtutulungan tayo, kaya nating masolusyonan ang mga pagsubok na meron tayo ngayon.
Ang dami kong natutunan. Lalo ko napagtanto ang halaga ng pagiging makabayan. Dahil doon, nagkaroon ako lalo ng inspirasyon para maglingkod sa bayan ng may determinasyon.